Alright, second back to school video, but this is for a little bit more of an intense makeup look or eyeshadow for those who want to go to school with a little bit more makeup on. Let's say for those who are in college or even back to work. So I'm going to take this palette, which is the Too Faced Hollywood palette. Actually, it's not called a Hollywood palette, but it just says Hollywood on it. And this is what the shades look like. Very, very fall or winter. So let me just quickly prime my eyes and then get started on it. So my face is basically everything is on my face and I prime my eyes. Everything is done. So now I'm going to go straight into the palettes. And I am going to go in with the shade called, this is actually like a Christmas palette, but it's okay because Christmas is after fall, so it's fine. But this is called Santa on Sunset, and I'm going to just put this all over my lid, or actually all over my eye, just as a transition for all over, just to set everything. I'm going to take this shade right below it and put it in my crease. Just very lightly, and then I took very little product for my crease. And now I'm going to take these two shades, obviously Slay, and then Hollywood and Wine. I'm taking those two, and I'm going to just smoke out my eye a little bit, putting this in my crease. Just want a little bit brown in there. And usually I would go in with like this really pretty blue, but I'm not going to this time because this isn't back to work. This isn't an event. So for my lid, I guess I'm gonna have to take more of a basic shadow, and I don't want to do that, but I kinda have to. So I guess I'm gonna take this like gold shade and put it on my lids, and we'll just have to deal with it. I would go crazy, but this is definitely for back to school, back to work, so I have to use very little because this is definitely a bold shade, but it's okay. It's not great. I'm going to now take this shade down here, and I'm going to just put it in my crease also. Kind of maybe like on the outer portion of my lid. Yeah. Just to add a little bit more pink. So it's not that much like gold and brown. This is definitely more of a matte, but it's okay. And now for the lower lash line, I really want to take that blue, but I'm not going to. I'm going to take this shade instead. It's very shimmery, but it's kind of more natural. And I'm going to do a very slight wing. So I'm going to take this shade, Santa Monica, and I'm going to put it as a little flick, just as a little wing. Now I'm just gonna add some liner to my waterline. Just 2 swipes because this eyeliner is so intense. This is the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner. This is really intense, so only like 1 swipe on each is good enough. And then I'm going to curl my lashes. And mascara. And that is all for this back to school or back to work. I feel like the other one was a bit more for those who want to experiment. Or these two are very simple, but for those who just want to start out and wear a bit more makeup to school, which is what I did in high school and definitely a lot in college. Actually, I think it was a little less in college, to be honest, but in high school it was a lot. But this is also good for work too. But that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what other products you guys think I should use and what products you guys like to use in your everyday makeup. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video.